It's 20 May 2022 and this is the time, and you can see the name of Muhammad is written in Arabic there through this cloud. If you look closely, let me make a close-up look. I cannot clearly see on my mobile because of the sunlight around me, so the mobile cannot be seen clearly, but through eyes I can see there, and I'm trying to zoom in so that you can see that clearly. uh, Over the large cloud there is a in middle. Let me zoom a little bit. I will check later on my camera how it looks. It's now full zoom. I will use the real Arabic name of Muhammad, peace be upon him, and then I will include that in the footage to help you understand the name which is written. Okay, I have told you the time. I have shown you the time and told you the date. Okay, it's now a little bit dissolved now.